Hello and welcome back again. I thought I'd do one more short reading and instead of a hymn today, maybe I'll do a psalm instead. I thought I'd look at Psalm 150, which is called Glory Be to God, or from the Hebrew Hallelujah, which is what the word actually means. I'll be reading again from the Book of Hymns and Psalms. Put that up there quickly so you can see it. 1976 edition, translated by Macmillan, was the name of the bard who did it, printed in Penzance. So I'll read the psalm out for you. It's normally used at Lauds in the Latin tradition. It's a sung psalm. It's a tradition of some psalms that are sung more than others. Yes, and this is usually used at that time of day. I'll read it out to you best I can with hopefully not too bad pronunciation. I'll put the Cornish and the text in English below as normal. Okay, Psalm 150. Gomelech de in de la sans, Gomelech in fanda in earth. Gomelech a wazi overo golasek. Gomelech haweth vrasta heparo. Gomelech gan sonan trompa. Gomelech wan solte had delen. Gomelech gans jimbilis had donso. Gomelech wan kurthin had bib. Gomelech wan jimbilis urin gles hones. Gomelech wan jimbilis uchel agathrose. Ol min zas tevis anal gomelens analuf. Gomelech analuf. So gomelo, plural for worship. So gomelech analuf, worship the Lord in plural form, as in you should worship Him. You notice the word, it's really an invocation to song and dance and praise of the Lord, which is why it's one of the sung psalms. You may notice also the words in English talk about use of cymbals, which is jimbalis in Cornish as well. Anyway, I'll put the words below and that's it. That's Psalm 150 read in Cornish.